What you doing there, Jimmy James?
Screwing up? No. Total failure. It took me, fuck man, all last night to dry. I was drying this stuff out.
So that's the kale that I had previous. We were growing outside of the raised beds, which we use with the rainwater. And Jimmy James, so you planted spinach all along here?
Yep, more spinach for fall crop.
So, what about that lettuce there? I guess we're gonna have to pick that and then pull those, right?
Yep.
And maybe replant those. Let's take a look at the last bed there.
That's doing good. So fall crop of broccoli.
Yep. So is it up to your expectation?
Yep, it's finally taken off.
I'll get a closer look here. So they are. I think, what do you think, another week they will probably start producing some heads, maybe?
I'd say in a couple more, maybe 3 weeks, something like that. Yeah, not till the...
So toward the beginning of September. Probably.
October. This is September, right?
No, we're in August.
August. Oh, okay. So,
where are you, man?
So, yeah, it's going to take probably a month before they produce anything.
So probably we're looking at that with also the spinach to see them. Will probably be October.
Yeah. And then you can take a video of your onions up there drying out. We took the onions out.
Oh yeah, we got all. That's what was missing, the onions.
Not all. Some. They're drying out good. They're hard. They aren't soft. As soon as they dry out more, then we'll cut these off and this off, and get them ready to store in your laundry room in a cool, dry place.
That's right. Then I can take them just when I need them. And I think I still have that Burlingame sack. Remember that?
Yep.
So where James got all that was right over here, which we're getting ready to do a roof wash down that I do every year. So here, he pretty much pulled all of that kale from here. And there's still a couple of onions. We planted onions all around because onions seem to be the great protector of the plants. The rodents don't like to mess with onions.
Right.
So we discovered that to keep them out of here, plant everywhere there were onions last year, there were no rodents. So we put 1 + 1 = 2 together, and we decided to realize that and plant onions around the base of all of our beds. And so far it has actually been successful on that note. So I think I will go back over here. And yesterday when I did a video, they were just, that feeder was just full of birds and squirrels. They were just going to town. As you can see, we're going to also work on that lower feeder. We're going to pull it out, clean it really good, pressure washer, and then Oh, that's one thing I forgot to get was, or no, I think James found. James, didn't you find some paint that we had enough?
Yeah, we got some stain.
Stain, that's right. So we're gonna stain it. So we're gonna clean it. We're gonna put some new screen in between here, because as you can see, squirrels are a lot heavier than the birds, and their feed has been pushing right through. So a lot of the feed ends up right down below there. So that's what we're trying to do, is slow down how much bird food gets below the feeder, because this lower feeder is actually good for the bigger birds that can't get up and feed off of these, and the squirrels, they all go to town on it. And then I have a squirrel feeder right here. The last one I had was wood, and they beat the crap out of it, so I got that metal one. And here you see the last corn cob that I put up there. The squirrel just went ballistic on it. And here's the other one. So I had two of these, and they ripped out this door that used to, so James went and put this one on, and this one has worked. And so now we got a little bit of rain, but it seems like this roof has just got a lot of, see if we look here, it's very dirty. So I don't know what, no water, it's just, so we're thinking about somehow, when we pump it out here, we could somehow put a screen there. We're gonna attach a screen, like maybe, so that means we'd have to put some kind of a valve with a screen, something attached to the hose.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, exactly. We want to screen it in between the pump and that, because we don't want all this stuff to collect in the pipe there. So
maybe a screen inside of that hose.
yeah, something in between the pump and this valve. We'll put in something, a screen somewhere.
That way that will at least stop the big particles of dirt from getting into the system. That way the pumps, when they get through, when you hear the water going through, it struggles. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and call this, on this update, the rain collection garden, Oregon.